In this video, I am gonna show you how to make this amazing interactive organic smoothie web animation with some slides animation in Figma. So let's get started. First of all, let's make a frame. Now let's add some images. Make sure all the layers is in the frame. Select all of them and align them in center. Now let's add some text. Now make a rectangle. And add gradient. Make its opacity 52%. Select Effect and add Layer Blur. Make blur 7.3. Now duplicate the frame. Select the second image and hold left arrow. And make its size smaller. Now select third image. Hold right arrow. And make its size smaller. Now do the same with others. Select all the images and make equal spacing. duplicate the frame. Now select last image and drag left side. And now select last image from right and drag it right side. Now duplicate the frame. And now do the same with other. Now duplicate the frame. Select image and make its size a little bit larger. Now duplicate the frame. Select images. And turn it to back of main image. Make their size smaller. And make opacity 0%. Now make a circle. Add fill. Now let's add some text. Now select all the text and make a frame. Now select circle and duplicate it. Select all of them and hold down arrow. And make sure they are all in the frame. Now duplicate the frame. Select the image and make it little bit round and hold right arrow. Now select the zero opacity image. Make its opacity 100 and make its size larger. Now select text frame. Hit enter to select all the text, and hold up arrow until second text came. Now duplicate the frame. Now do the same with others. duplicate the first frame. Select header and hold up arrow and make opacity 0. Now select text. Make its size smaller and make opacity 0%. Make sure all the layers is in the frame. Now let's prototype them. Connect first frame with second. Choose on click. Animation will be Smart Animate. Make curve custom Bezier. And make duration 1200 milliseconds. Now select second frame. And select image and connect to third frame. Animation will be same. Now do the same with others. Now select last frame and connect with its previous frame. Animation will be same. Now select second last frame and connect with its previous frame. Animation will be same. Now do the same with others. Now let's check how it's look. This looking's good. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe and press the bell icon for new videos.